Everyday Man is back. Another round at the garden. Last video we cleaned out all the weeds. This video I'm going to rototill it for the first time. I'll rototill it again probably the day that we plant, because it's going to rain tomorrow, as I mentioned before. This video is going to be a whole series of videos that I'm going to take one a week, from starting from nothing with the ground up until harvest time. So you're going to see every week the progress of rototilling, picking out the vegetables. I'm going to take the video to the store. We're going to plant everything, water it, set up perimeter fencing for the deer and the animals, things like that. And then ultimately, everything goes right, I'll have a grand finale, couple videos of picking. All right, here we go. I have that down as deep as it'll dig. It was the first time through. It's kind of wet, making it a little more difficult. You could see I had to push it along, mainly because the wheels got clogged up with dirt, thick dirt, mud, whatever you want to call it. I wouldn't call it mud, but so in the next video, I'm going to finish the rototill quickly, and then I'm going to show you what we put on it. Every year I like to put peat moss in, 2 or 3 bales. Peat moss is the best. Let's look at our progress so far. We started with hard dirt and weeds. Getting rid of all the weeds made a really nice improvement. But there's nothing like the look of a garden after rototilling. So this is the Everyday Man saying thank you for watching. Look for my next video. It won't be too many days. And then every week we're going to have a video on the progress of the growing season, which I think might be kind of fun to watch. So have a good day, and thanks for watching the video.